Excavator, excavator, dig so deep, scooping up the dirt in a giant heap. Bulldozer, bulldozer, push away, moving big piles every day. Tower crane, way up high, swinging its hook across the sky. Dump truck, lift and tip, pouring out rocks with every trip. Backhoe loader, dig and lift, working hard with a double gift. Wheel loader, scoop the sand, rolling forward across the land. Road roller, roll along, making smooth roads nice and strong. Asphalt Paver, pave the way, building shiny roads today. Motor grader, level the ground, making flat roads all around. Concrete mixer, round and round, mixing concrete without a sound. Concrete pump, reach up high, pouring concrete to the sky. Forklift, lift it high, stacking boxes to the sky. Telehandler, stretch so far, lifting loads near and far. Skid steer loader, turn around, scooping dirt up from the ground. Mobile crane, lift with care, raising heavy loads in the air. Pile driver, tap, building strong foundations clap. Trencher,